Three-waisted style white jeans. First, take your favorite pair of white jeans, add any bodysuit of your choice, throw on a lightweight jacket or a trench coat, add some cool sides, and there you have a chic look. Next, take any summery blouse or crop top that you have and pair them with some simple heels, and there you have a fun weekend look. Lastly, take any button-down or tie-front top, again pairing them with some simple heels, and there you have a flirty all-white look.
Here are my 5 must-have bras from Amazon. Number 1 is this lace-up push-up bra. When I worked at Victoria's Secret, I had girls come in every single day and ask me, what bra is going to hold up my girls together and push them up? For the price and the result of this bra, I think every girl needs to have one of these in their wardrobe. The padding is in the shape of a hand, which I feel like helps lift and scoop and bring the girls together. Here's a before and after. Number 2 is the Ultimate Comfy Bralette by Hanes. I love this one. It's so good. It makes me feel like I'm not wearing a bra at all, but if you have a larger chest and you want thicker straps, I recommend this one by Warner's. I tie-dyed mine and I love the way it looks. Number 4 is this multi-waist strapless convertible bra. It has a fairly inclusive shade range, and because the cup is full coverage, it literally does not fall down. And lastly, it's this sports bra tank top. I am so impressed with the quality, the fit, and the support of this sports bra. I highly recommend this style, especially for my larger chested ladies if you like the sports bra look and want the support. Thanks for watching.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
Y'all was coming for my neck in the comments about this Curious George dress, okay? So boom, you need a very big t-shirt. Extra large will do, but here I have an extra large. It used to fit me back in the day, but we're not gonna get into that. I got this from Macy's before y'all come for me in the comments. I'm going to turn the shirt inside out, but make sure all of the edges are aligned. Make sure it's nice and flat. Take a dress that fits you super well, that makes you feel like a bad biddy, and line that hoe up. Take a white eyeliner pencil and trace around the dress, but be sure that you leave some space for the sewing. You don't want it too tight. For the sleeves, line them up with the top of the shirt, and then you're going to take a straight edge and just trace it all the way down so they fit right. Cut around your markings that we just made, and then you're going to pin it so that way it stays while we sew it. You're going to sew up both of the sides of the dress, and there you have it, your own DIY customized mini dress. I hope y'all are feeling like some bad biddies.
I'm fresh. I'm hood. I look good. I look like babe. I look like babe. Ay.
Down south, hood baby. Make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side. Why got me feeling a little lazy? Shuffle. Flex one hand, show the muscle.
My daughter's style on my outfit.
Yay!
What to wear to hang out with friends. So you're gonna pick out my outfit. I'm gonna leave the room. Ready?
Ready. I'm gonna do this pink dress. It's so long and silky. Ooh. Yeah. It's a pink cardigan to match the pink dress and the pink shoes. I like this diamond necklace. It's glamorous. These headbands, I love headbands. I'm gonna try it on. Fancy. Oh, Claire! And this pink little bag to match the outfit. It's so small you can't fit anything. Only like lipstick. Perfect size for Claire. She's like, wow. And this one's for Mommy. Mommy, come here.
Are you ready? Do you have the outfit for me?
Yeah!
Okay. Watch the next video to see me try.